whole box of chocolates. Come with me. I don't know why I'm using this expensive ass powder.
Darkness, my old friend.
The worst brow blocking I've ever done. We're just gonna go with it. Not sure what kind of skull I'm gonna do, but it's it's gonna be a skull. All that matters are the black outlines that we're doing later. That's gonna pull her together. So I'm gonna start with the teeth now. I think a common mistake that people make, they just make a straight line down, like to indicate the separation of teeth. But if you look at your teeth, these are wider, you know, than these. So if you make these completely even, it just looks, in my opinion, it just looks a little stupid. Just kidding. To each their own. I'm not shit. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna use this little brush right here. A Michaels brush for $1. I'm gonna bring this paint out with some water. I'll go over it in a little bit. I just want to indicate where I want the mouth, the teeth to stop. This could be a little messy since this is turning out to be kind of a watercolor skull. Make sure you bring the roots of the teeth up here too. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. I'm gonna outline all of this. So then you'll definitely tell that it's a skull. Your lips are dry, that's a plus because the paint just, it truly clings on. What the hell did you say? Shut up! I mean, fucked up.
Shut up. That was kind of scary.
It's a skull!
No. That's good.
It's a colorful skull. It's really scary to you?
A little bit.
You wanna kiss me?
You have no eyebrows here.
There's a hair in my eye. So Kat Von D Beauty sent me their new inkwell liner. I got it yesterday and I've taken 2 showers so far. This shit has not come off. It's right there. Come off. So you probably need an oil-based facial cleanser and it'll come right off. So here we go. For ultra matte bulletproof color. So what we're gonna do, you can do this with any eyeliner. I hope this is good. It says to shake. Maybe look at a reference picture of a skull to see how you want to outline it. I'm gonna outline it around the eyes, where the hollowness is, where any hollowness is. I'm going to outline it and around the teeth to indicate that I'm a skull and I have teeth. So I'm going to use this cheap little liner from NYC because the nose needs to be completely dark and I don't want to use the new liner because it's pretty nice, but I don't want to use it to completely saturate my nose. Added liner, added lashes. I added liner on my waterline because I wanted it probably a little cohesive, the black around the eye area. And I added some black in here. It's a little messy because my lips are drier than the sun. I have it pretty quick, huh? So, I added some hair clips too to add to the chaos. And that's it. Just I changed into a turtleneck because we already know this was unplanned and I didn't know what the hell I wanted to do with my neck. So cover that up. If you guys recreate it, just tag me on my Instagram, tag me in comments, send me a message if I don't see it because I get so many tags and comments and sometimes I just don't want to check my phone. I don't reply to people for days. It's an ongoing issue, so just be patient with me, but I do see it even if it's a week or so later or 3 months later. That's it, guys. I hope you like it. I love you guys. I'm gonna try and be more active on here. I said that last time. I could be lying. I hope you like my jam session. I'm winding down now. Run fast from a day job, running fast from where it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the street. Bye. I'm just kidding. Kids watch this. Bye. Bye, y'all.